Hey guys, we're here in Highland, Utah. This is our Cripple Creek project. My name is Jeff Tait. I'm the president and founder of Estait Construction. We're down here in the basement level of Cripple Creek. We dug this out a couple of weeks ago. The first thing that we do is we have a soils engineer come out to verify the soil and make sure that we're ready to pour footings. We had our soils engineer come out, and what they found was that there's collapsible soil on this property. What they recommended is we dig down 2 full feet and then come back with 2 full feet of engineered fill. You look at the footprint on this house is about 13,000 square feet. The footprint alone is about 7,000 square feet. We've already hauled out about 150 dump truck loads of dirt just to get down to that 2 feet. And then we've had about 315 tons of engineered fill that have come in. So you can see obviously footings are poured. Yesterday we had Highland City come out and do our footings inspection. One thing that they're gonna wanna see is that soils report that shows that we've gone down 2 feet and come back. We've had our soils engineer come back and verify that. We've given that report to them. And the other thing is every single one of these footings is a different size, has a different rebar schedule. And one of the things we like to do is go through and take pictures of every single one of the different sizes of footings and have them in a file for the customer so we can always go back and see that these footings were done exactly to plan. One of the things that sets us apart at Estait Construction is that we self-perform our excavation. You can see this equipment up here, this loader and excavator, that's all our own equipment. And so a change like this, when you have to dig out 2 feet of soil and go back with 2 feet of engineered fill, that's a substantial change. That could take another excavation company a while to line that up and get the equipment. We were here the next day after we got the notice from the engineer to start digging out and getting it going, so we didn't lose any more time. That's a quick update here on Cripple Creek in Highland. So we're excited to show you around this one over the next several months and keep you updated. And if you're ready to start your project, go to estateconstruction.com and reach out.